Click on the link below to get price. The V20 electric bike is a stellar addition to the electric biking world, boasting a powerful 750W motor that can peak at 1500W. This allows for impressive speeds of up to 33 miles per hour, making it suitable for both commuting and leisurely rides. The bike's design incorporates a robust 20-inch fat tire, which not only enhances stability but also provides excellent traction on various terrains, from urban streets to rugged paths. One of the standout features of the V20 is its battery options. With choices of a 48V 15.6Ah or an 18.2Ah battery, riders can select the capacity that best meets their needs. The impressive range of 35 to 80 miles on a single charge is particularly appealing. This ensures that whether you're navigating city traffic or exploring scenic routes, you can ride confidently without the constant worry of recharging. The bike's build quality is commendable. It feels sturdy yet lightweight, allowing for easy maneuverability. The frame is designed to endure the rigors of daily use while maintaining a sleek aesthetic appeal. Comfort is also a priority, with an ergonomically designed seat that accommodates longer rides without causing discomfort. Another highlight is the bike's user-friendly interface, which allows riders to easily switch between different speed settings. This adaptability ensures that both beginners and experienced cyclists can enjoy the V20. Additionally, the inclusion of front and rear lights enhances safety, especially for night rides. On the flip side, the bike's weight might be a consideration for some riders. While the sturdy frame is a plus for durability, it can make the bike more cumbersome to lift or transport. However, the performance and features overwhelmingly compensate for this minor drawback. Overall, the V20 electric bike is an exceptional investment for anyone looking for speed, range, and reliability in an electric bike. Its combination of power, comfort, and versatility makes it one of the best options in its category.